Hello student, once again welcome in our standard 8 mathematics lesson number 11 mensuration exercise number 11.2. Let's check the question of 11.2 of mathematics standard 8. My dear student, before starting our today's sessions, you all are ready with your stationaries, and in this exercise you all have to try to draw the rough sketch of the figure. It's a very useful to you to remember how to solve the question. So we are knowing here the first question of mensurations class 8 mathematics exercise number 11.2. The shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Find its area if it is a parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. We are knowing students, a trapezium is nothing but two parallel lines are there and their measurements are already given. Good. So I put it with the red circle, and the height or distance between two parallel lines is here 0.8 meter. As we know, our formula for to find the area of surface of the table is 1 by 2 height into the parallel side sums. Sum of the parallel sides A and B. Suppose we can say A is equal to 1 meter and B is equal to 1.2 meter, and height already given 0.8. Put the value in the formula, we will get the answer. Correct. Now look at here, question number 2. The area of a trapezium given 34 centimeter square and the length of one of the parallel sides is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. Student, whenever you find the third side, that means two sides or two parts will be given. We are having the same formula, 1 by 2 sum of the sides of parallel multiplied by height. Here, suppose A is equal to 10. Okay, now we are going to find the B. Height already given 4 centimeter. Put the value and the area of the trapezium given. When we put it and simplified, first of all, take out this 2. 2 to the 4. Okay, now 10 plus B, and last you can get the B is equal to 7. Look at the question number 3. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter if BC is equal to 48 meter, CD is equal to 17 meter and AD is equal to 40 meter. Find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides of AB and BC. My dear student, here I drawn a rough sketch of trapezium and put the value of whatever given in the questions, and we are having the same formula, 1 by 2 sum of the parallel side multiply by height. Good. Look at here, how to write answers like this way you should have to give. This is the symbol of because of. What is the symbol of this one? Because of. And this is the symbol of therefore. Isn't it clear? Very good, students. So now here you just check it. What the things are given? BC is equal to 48, CD is equal to 17 and AD is equal to 40. So perimeter 120 already given. Because of the perimeter of a trapezium, that sum of the sides, yes. So we can find first of all side of AB. Yes, AB is equal to 15. How it came? You are knowing very well. Now we are the student of, yes my dear student, you are the student of 8th standard, and these types of questions are very helpful to solve. So you can check out what you have to do. Clear? Yes my dear student. How it came? This is the here plus sign. My dear student, type mistake is there. Here is the plus sign. AB plus 105. Okay, now 105 shifted to the left side, then it will become a minus. That's why here 120 minus 105. So final answer should be a 15 meter. Use this one, BC into AD plus AB. Is it? Yes, my dear student. Now you are having the perpendicular line AB. It's a 15. Last answer is 660 meter square. So here one more step you have to completed, that you found the perpendicular or altitude of the parallel lines. I hope so you clear your doubts, but you need a more practice on simplification. Yes, so many students still now having the problem to cut these numbers. How to cut? Just now 22 and 40, 44 to the 88. So 2 will cut, 2 will cut. So 44 and 15. 44 multiplied by 15 will give you a 660. Try out yourself, my dear student. You are knowing how it gave. So here the things whatever you found, you should have tried one by one step. My dear student, to put the value one by one, whatever is given, and you can go through it, use the following values and find the final answer. Yes, my dear student, A and B now you are having, H is also with you. Put the value in our formula and simplified final answer in your screen. Look at the question number 4. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meters and the perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Yes, my dear student, figures is here. Perpendicular lines are also given. Height 1 and height 2 also given. What we have to do here? Yes, very good student. You just try out and search it. What is the things are given? Here a quadrilateral is divided into two triangles and you can find one by one both area, then you are having the total field area 1 by 2 BH. Yes, my dear student, here are the triangle ABC and triangle ADC. So first of all find the triangle ABC and then after triangle ADC. Height 1 and height 2. Correct. By simplified this one you are having the 252. Look at the question number 5. The diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. We are knowing what is the formula for to find the area of rhombus. Area of the rhombus is nothing but you should have to check out this is the suppose a rhombus. Is it? Yes, my dear student, when rhombus diagonals are cutting, it should be a, yes, two diagonals are there, D1 and D2. This is a cut at the right angle and bisect each other. So D1 and this is the D2. Is it? So both measurements are given, D1 and D2. Whatever the area, 1 by 2 D1 into D2. Then you will get a particular question's answer. A rhombus. Rhombus is nothing like as a square, a quadrilateral type. Their property is one, diagonals are multiplied and multiplication of diagonal make a half will give you the area of the rhombus. Yes, my dear student, here it is shown very clearly how to write the answer. D1 and D2 given. Yes, put the value of this one and simplified you are having the answer 45 centimeter square. Question number 6 of 11.2. Find the area of rhombus whose side is 6 centimeter and whose altitude is 4 centimeter. Now new thing is here, if one of the diagonal is 8 centimeter long, find the length of the other diagonal. One side is given 6 centimeter, altitude is given 4. We are having the formula D1 into D2. Can you imagine how to find the answer, beta? Very simple. Area of rhombus is equal to base into altitude. Base is 6 and altitude is 4, 24. Now area of rhombus is second way, D1 into D2. Base is given and this one also given, 24 are there. D1 is the 8 and D2 we are going to find. On the left side we can take 24 because we found a parallelogram. It's like a parallelogram. Parallelogram में क्या होता है बेटा? base into altitude. Yes, my dear student, here is the question number 7. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 cm and 30 cm length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. We are having the formula d1 into d2 of rhombus diagonals. So one tiles area is this one, and there are how many tiles are there? 3000 tiles are there. Will you find for 3000 tiles? Okay, very good. According to that, you should have to find out the costing, but here costing is in meter square. Okay, now you are going to find it. Yes, 3000 is this much big size, and convert it into the meter square, because 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Yes, for 1 meter square is 4 rupees, so 202.50 meter square. Yes, my dear student, this is the meter square. This is the meter square. What is this one? Meter square. By mistake it is a M2 is written, but it's a meter square. Good. Okay, so final answer is 810 rupees. You just simplified, because these types of things you can do yourself. Isn't it? Correct. So make it here a final answer. Now very good question is here. Question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to the twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is this much and the perpendicular distance between two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. Yes, very good, my dear student. Road and river are shown and their measurements are also given, but these things are unknown. Let the side of the road field is x, so side of the river is 2x, double side, and it's 100. Now you are having the same formula for trapezium. Yes, you remember. This is the question number 8. 1 by 2 multiply by the sum of the side x plus 2x multiply by height, that is a 10 or 100, whatever given, 100, and total is given 10,500. Yes, my dear student, just simplified, you are having x is equal to 70 meter. Just you see the formulas, simplification. Yes, my dear student, 3x multiplied by 50, 50 will go on left side, that's a divide, and then 3x is also in divide. Final answer is this one, 2x means 50, then 100. Question number 9. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of the regular octagon. As shown in the figure, find the area of the octagon surface. But octagon means 8 sides. How many sides are there? 8. Can you see what is this one? Will you remember this one? What is this? Yes, this is the trapezium. How many trapeziums are there? Regular are there. See, surface is regular. That's why you can make the 4 trapezium. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you find for 1, automatically you are having the total ones. Isn't it? In between there small circle. So small square. Octagon having 8 equal sides, each is 5 centimeter. Isn't it? Yes. Divide the octagon in 3 figures. 2 trapezium whose parallel and perpendicular sides are 11 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the third figure is rectangular having length and breadth is 11 meter and 5 meter respectively. There are 2 or 3 different ways to find out the answer. Constructions are also there. How to construct it in this way. So first trapezium, second trapezium, yes, and then after the rectangle. Clear? Very good, correct, right. Because according to the measurement, we have to select the method. Which method is easy to find out? Here 11 and 4 are the parallel sides and height is also given. Yes, 4 meter. How to get it is 5, 5, 5. Height is 4, side is 5, other side is 11. Just make it and simplify it. You are having the answers for both one. If you multiply it with 2, you are having the 2 trapezium answer, and last one is so easy, 11 into 5. 11 into 5, that means a 55 meter square. plus 64 meters square. Total is 119 meters square area of the octagon. Here they taught us different parts of the figure. Same way here in question number 10, there is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in this figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it in two different ways. So Jyoti's diagram is like this way and Kavita's diagram is like this way. But both answers remain the same. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of finding its area? Why not? I will discuss afterwards. So first of all, you can find out through the trapezium format. Yes. Second one, triangle and rectangle. Why not? We can do like that way. Understood? Yes. Here two trapeziums are there. And you can find out the area also. Yes. Then after the 15, 15, 15, 15. Yes. Square. 15 into 15, 15 square. Other one is a triangle. Yes. 15 then 15 triangles. Very good student. Base into height. 1 by 2 base into height. So it's a half one of this one. Both answer remain the same. See the answer here by Jyoti's diagram. Answer is 337.5 meters square. According to the Kavita's diagram, answer remains the 337.5 meters square. Here there are two trapeziums and both are the equal. So multiplied with 2. Second method is there, triangle and a square. Yes, my dear student, final answer remains the same. Look at the last question, 11.1. Diagram of the adjacent figure frame. His order dimension is 24 cm, 28 cm, and inner dimensions are 16 cm by multiply by 20 cm. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. Have you seen the frame, photo frame? Yes, my dear student, frame is there. फ्रेम में और फोटो का दोनों का अलग अलग है. ट्रेपेजियम फॉर्मेट. चेक आउट व्हाट इज द आंसर. 96 सेंटीमीटर एट लास्ट 80 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. Figure 1 and figure 2. Area of figure 1, area of figure 2. Can you imagine why the frames is there? That's a frame wala area is bigger. Area 1 is bigger than area 2. 96. And second one inside figure, that's the area of figure is here. Yes. 80 centimeter square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks. Here we end up our 11.2. Let's start our 11.3. Is it? Yes, my dear student. Correct. Okay, my dear student. Here is the exercise number 11.3. Class 8, chapter number 11. Question number 1 is on your screen. There are two cubical boxes as shown in the diagram figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? See students, in cubicle any boxes length, breadth and heights are given. Given length is 60 centimeter, breadth is 40 centimeter, height is 50 centimeter. We are having the formula to find the surface area of cubical box. Yes, cubical box is equal to 2 into LB into BH into HL. Simplified it, you are having the 14,800 centimeters square. Now B, figure B also LBH is there, 50, 50, 50. Final answer is 15,000 centimeters square. So comparing this both A and B picture, A required the lesser amount of material to make, since the surface area of box A is less than the box B. So rectangle box banane ke liye, yes, cuboid and cube required more and cuboid is less. You understood what I am explaining? Yes. In side work also I am using the red pen to get the final answer. Student, look at the question number 2. A suitcase with measure 80 centimeter multiplied by 48 centimeter multiplied by 24 centimeter is to be covered with a trapelium cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 meter is required to cover 100 such suitcase? Yes, tadpatri. We are saying that yes, that type of little bit hard or a soft no but rough cloth we have to use for suitcase cover. The things are given already for suitcase. We can find out the surface area of suitcase is 13,824 centimeters square. Area of cloth is equal to yes L into B. Total are there. B is also given. We have to find the length. Length is 144 centimeter. So required cloth for 100 suitcase, that means 144 multiplied by 100. Final answer is 14,400 centimeter. But we are knowing 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Is it or not? Yes. Using this information, we can make 144 meter length cloth required to make the 100 suitcase cover. Anyone has doubt regarding this one? No. So look at here, question number 3 of 11.3. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Here, final answer is also there with you. Yes, by mistake. Here we are again come to the same one. Question number 1. Once again, yes, 3L square. Correct. You can use this one because this is the same one. Third one, once again, L cube 600. Yes, my dear student, how it came? 600 already given. So L square is equal to 6 से divide कर दिया था. Question number 4. Ruksar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure this much. How much surface area did she cover if the painted accepted the bottom of the cabinet? बेटा इसमें क्या कर दिया? Yes, bottom फ्लोर वाले को कलर नहीं करने का है, साइड में से सबको करने का है. सबसे पहले हम 1 by 1 ट्राई करेंगे. लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाइट. यस. So surface area of cabinet is this much, 11 meter square. Hence the required surface area of cabinet is 11 meter square. Here we can use LB plus 2 BH plus HL. LB one time only. Why one time? Because we are not coloring or we are not using the bottom part. That's why LB means downside. We are not taking 2 times. Only one time. That's why here LB plus 2 BH plus HL. Is it? So be careful when you are using the formula. Otherwise you will get the wrong answer. Your process is right, but what asked in the questions, we have to follow it. So many students are making a silly mistake. Without reading the questions, they started to write the answer because they are knowing the formula. Immediately they put the value in the formula and writing the answers. My dear student, it is not a good one. Question 5. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cubicle hall with length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? The name of the girl is here Daniel. It start to paint with the given measurement. Yes, the total surface area of classroom. Here we are not coloring the bottom or floor. So that means LB plus 2 BH plus LHL. The area is here 500 meter square. Area of wall. The area of one can is 100. So how many cans are needed? 500 divided by 100 will give you a 5 cans. So 5 cans are required to paint this one. Question number 6. Describe how the two figures below are alike and how they are different. Which box has larger lateral surface area? Here one cylinder and one cube is given. Comparing how to find out both surface area you can find out. Yes, my dear student, there is a answer of this one. Height of cylinder is equal to 7 centimeter. Lateral surface of cylinder is a 154 centimeter square. Now, lateral surface of cube is equal to 4L square. No, 4L square. Okay, 4 into 49, that means 196. Hence the cube has larger lateral surface. Lateral means ऊपर नीचे का लेने का नहीं है, ऊपर नीचे का लेने का नहीं है. Base and top are not included. Question 7. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? My dear student, here the things are given in the question. You can use the information from this one. Yes, radius is equal to 7 meter. Height of the cylinder is 3 meter. So we have the formula of surface area of cylinder. Take 2 pi r plus h or h plus r. Put the value in a particular formula. Question number 8. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is this much. It is cut along its height and form a rectangular sheet of width 33 cm. Find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. Yes, my dear student, here is the values. Put the value in our formula and simplified. The final answer is 322 centimeter. Perimeter of regular sheet is equal to 2 into L plus B. You are having now L and B, both are there. Hollow cylinder, that means a rectangular shape. 2 pi RH. Will you make it in a cylinder? Why not? When you fold it, it will become a hollow rectangle. Correct, my dear student. Circles are not included. That's why they said the hollow. Yes, खुला हुआ. पेज को आप राउंड करके सिलेंडर बना दो, तो सिलेंडर बन जाएगा. Then after simplify, 22 गया, 7 7 गया, बचा कौन? 64 into 2, that's 128. Yes, my dear student, 2 into 128 plus 33 gives you a, yes, 161. 322 is the final answer. Last question, 9 number. A road roller takes 750 complete revolutions to move one's cover over to level a road. Find the area of road if the diameter of a road roller is 84 centimeter and length is 1 meter. Yes, my dear student, here two things are given. 750 complete revolutions, the diameter of the roller rod and length is given. Diameter rod is 84, that means radius is 2 divided by 2, 42 centimeter. Roller is 100 centimeter. Convert centimeter to centimeter, meter to centimeter. Curved surface area of the road roller, that is a cylinder, 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH means put the value of R and H. You are having the 26,400 centimeter square for one circle. How many completed? 750. Multiply by 750. You are having the final answer. Question number 10. Not last but least. A company packages its milk powder in a cylindrical container whose base has a diameter of 40 cm and height is 20 cm. Company places a label around the surface of the container as shown in the figure. If the label is placed 2 cm from top and bottom, what is the area of the label? Yes, my dear student, just you can cut it to 2 cm from both sides. You are having the new width, or you can say radius is 7 centimeter, height of cylinder 20 minus 4, that is 16 centimeter. Now 2 pi RH value is there, 704 centimeter square. दो ऊपर से निकल दिया बेटा, 20 में से 4 गया, कितना बचा? 16. 16 are left. That's why here 16 is written. Now multiply 7 into 16, that gives you a 704 centimeter. Here we end up our exercise 11.3. I hope so. This lesson mensurations will give you a proper guidance. So once again I tell you, thank you. Stay at home, be safe and complete your fair book. Write down your homework, write the textual exercises, questions, answer with the example, because this lesson is very tough for you. This lesson is also useful in your next classes 9th and 10th. So remember the formula what we studied. Till there, bye bye. Thank you once again.